Hi friends, this is Macro Inventors team and we have made a game using Unity, and we have used the feature of Unity that it is flexible with the platforms, and we have introduced the one thing in that sign up and login so that user can play his game from the point from which he left in one platform, and he can play from another platform from that point. So we are just doing that. We are uploading the data of user on the SQL, and we are just fetching that data to play the game again from the same point where he left. So we have used the Unity and we have made a simple hat catcher game but different types and options, login option, and I will show you the game. So this is the game. Here we have new game, options, login, help and quit buttons. So in help we have written some points for player, how to play and all. Login, in login, so if you haven't logged in, so you have to go to sign up. You have to add username, password and email, then sign up. Once sign up is done, again you have to go to login. You have to add username and password and you have to log in. And once you are logged in, you can go and you can play your game. It will fetch the data. So in options we have added resolution drop down, graphics drop down, full screen check mark and volume check mark for mute and having sound, and we can even decrease and increase the sound too. So in new game we have 4 options: hat catcher, hat shooter, Halloween and Xmassive. So Xmassive. So here you have to catch aiding elements here such as gifts, and you have to stay apart from the danger element. So here snowballs are the elements which causes danger to the hat. So we should not touch the snowballs. If we touch the snowballs more than life options, our game will be over. But if we catch the snowball without touching the hat, we will get some bonus point. And even if we use the bullets to fire the snowballs, it will burst and we will get some bonus points. So even ammo we have to catch, so for having more bullets. And we can use escape button in between at any time of playing the game to go for the resume or menu and quit. So we will go to menu. So even time left also matters. If we exceed that time limit, our game will be got over. And in this type we have used balls as the aiding elements and bombs as the dangerous elements and life as the options. So I will use escape, I will use resume, even we can use escape and then go for quit also. So that's all.